Hey new Wildcats! This video is designed to introduce you to RiverGuide, our student portal, and show you what resources are available to you through this portal. So what is a portal? Well, a portal is basically one site that houses every other link and resource that you have access to. For example, from RiverGuide, you'll be able to view your account balance, access your grades, check your student email, and even access your online classes. So to access RiverGuide, you'll want to start on our homepage. The homepage website is www.prcc.edu. From our homepage, the RiverGuide link is located in the top right-hand corner. There's going to be a little paw print beside it. The great thing about RiverGuide is that it's a single sign-on, meaning that you only have to log in once, and you'll still be able to navigate other self-service sites like your email without having to re-enter your login credentials. So RiverGuide will always be the best place to start. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the home page. From here, you'll be able to see any campus news or announcements that would be important to you. You'll also be able to see your schedule. Below that will be your current account balance. And all the way at the bottom of the screen will be a list of any outstanding financial aid documents that you have or that you would need to complete. Also on the homepage are helpful links and frequently asked questions. One of the best features of the homepage is the quick links to the other important sites. These sites are what you're going to use most. So starting off, Canvas is our online platform for classes. Both online and traditional in-person classes are facilitated through Canvas. So basically, Canvas is your lifeline for your classes. When you register for classes, each class will have a section in Canvas. So here's where your instructor will upload important documents like your syllabus and class assignments. Instructors also use the Canvas email tool as a way to communicate with you. But just note that Canvas email and your PRCC student email are two separate things. So they're both equally important, and you should both check them every day. Another great feature of the Canvas email is that you can message your fellow classmates. So if you have a question about an assignment or if you want to create a study group, you can easily send a message to a peer. So this is a great resource to have. Especially if you miss a day of class and you're wondering, hey, what did we go over? Or I need to get some notes from somebody. You can just go in your Canvas email, look at the class members, message one, and they can help you out. The next quick link is to Grades First. Here's where you can view your class attendance and your grades. So if it's midterms and you want to know how you stand in your classes, whether if you have an A, you have a B, if you're passing, this is where you'll be able to see your grade. Wildcat Web is our self-service system. Here you have access to all your records. You can make changes to your address and other information, and you can also see a detailed list of your bill, check your grades, register for classes, and see who your assigned advisor is. So Wildcat Web is definitely one of another most important tabs you'll use. Next, we have the Pay My Bill link. This is a quick and convenient way to take care of your account balance. The next link on RiverGuide is the payment plan. Here's where you can set up a plan to pay your financial balance through monthly installments. Your 1098-T form link brings you to your 1098-T form. This is a form you or your parents might need when filing taxes for tax season. The Find My Advisor link is especially important to you by the end of the semester. Whenever you are starting to register for upcoming classes, you will need to seek out your advisor. Your advisor might change throughout your time here at PRCC. For instance, if your major changes, your advisor might change. So it's very important to check this link every semester. So that's the basics of the homepage, but that's not all RiverGuide has to offer. In the left-hand corner of RiverGuide, there's the drop-down menu. Here's where you can navigate to other helpful sources of information. So that's basically sums up River Guide in the menu. And so just be sure to explore these links before classes start. You want to get familiar with where these tabs are and where this information is located. If you have any questions, just be sure to stop by the Student Success Center, where our peer leaders can help you. We're always happy to help and answer any questions that you may have. So I just want to say welcome to Pearl River Community College, and we here wish you the best of luck this semester. Go Wildcats!